Welcome to my latest update. Right in front of you here, I've built another frequency generator circuit. So now I have a total of about 96 frequencies over all the frequency generators I've built. This one here, I built this one here. This one here, I designed it using the Nikola Tesla's 369 numbers. By using a bit of simple mathematics, I calculated the values of a pair of ceramic capacitors here to make 3 PF. Next one, the pair is calculated to make 6 PF and then 9 PF. Now, that's 3 pairs of capacitors here. Over here, I got 3 lots of 4 capacitors in parallel. The first lot I've calculated to make up 6 PF, next one's 12 and 18. So you probably why 12 and why 18? Well, 6 fits into 12 twice, 6 fits in 18 3 times, and 3, 6 and 8 fits in 18 6 times, and so on. So there's 3, 6 and 9, they can all fit into each other. Now if you use numerology here, 18, 1 plus 8 equals 9, that's one of the Tesla's number, or 12 PF, 1 plus 2 equals 3. So I've got it all calculated in using the Tesla's 369 and worked it out. Now I've already tested this out and measured the frequencies. Okay, now these, like all capacitors there, they're not completely perfectly accurate. If I want a real accurate capacitors, you can get them on eBay, but the problem is they're 1000 volts and they don't cover all the values I use. They don't even have it. Not even Farnell or whatever you call them, does not have the low value capacitors in the 50 watt range. So these, lucky I've got these from jaycar electronics, these capacitors. Now, if I tested this out on a piezo, it almost sounded like it was a directional sound. You can hear it louder when you're pointing it at you, and you can still hear it if you're pointing away. But if you wave your hand in front of it, you can hear the variations in the sound, like it's a high frequency sonar, like it's bouncing off your hand. You can hear the changes in the sound. Right, now look at this. This is the NCH online tone generator I've got on my computer here. Now I've been told you can't hear 19 kilohertz. Hi, well there's some videos online that says you can hear higher frequencies too, not necessarily up to 20 kilohertz like they say. Okay, hang on. Let's get that out of the way. Okay. Can you hear that sound? That is 19.1 kilohertz, and I can hear that easy. And this online tone generator goes up to 22 kilohertz and I can still hear it. So it's not out of the range of human hearing that. In fact, if there's any sound you can't hear, all you do is amplify them up using a preamplifier, etc., and you'll be able to hear the unhearable sounds. Or like if you have a bat detector, that can help you hear sounds of bats anyhow. Okay, stop that there. Okay, I was just demonstrating that you can hear 19 kilohertz sound on the tone generator. Like I was told you can't hear it, but you can. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video.